My mother is a living example of heaven's best sample, a queen whose presence is worthy of thrones, a woman of class in a class of her own, a lady the sound of whose laughter is known. She is regal and elegant. My mother has the nature of a nurturer with lethal intelligence, the pioneering spirit of an adventurer, yet gentle and diligent. She can nurse the wounds and smile at you, dispelling darkness till every shadow has left the room. She is heaven-sent evidence that God has remembered us and sent an angel to speak the words of life in soft-spoken tones, releasing the words of healing over our broken homes, becoming a companion to orphans and widows who once walked alone. Agape. She loves, even in a world grown cold and ruthless. Still the truth is, prophetess Dr. Ruth is a woman who has made it her mission to fulfill a God-given vision, to give God's love without condition, and history will record that this handmaid of the Lord is a safe haven where the heavy laden can find shelter from the storms. She is undertaking the painstaking task of taking our pain and breaking past the breakthrough point. Always a victorious lady in the battles above, she has become an inspiration to love. Like you, Mom, there simply is no other. And while the world may call you doctor or prophetess, we count it for a blessing and a privilege that we can call you mother.